Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. Boat's 21 feet overall, 8-foot 6-inch beam. The boat also comes with a dual axle trailer that's included in the package. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 150. Great all-around bulletproof engine for this boat. You also see on the swim platform you have your ladder, which is recessed into the deck so it's not a trip hazard. You have SeaDek material, which finishes off the look, also gives it great traction for all those water sports climbing in and out. You have your ski pole as well. Back here on the 21, as well as the other SPX models, the greatest feature is all of the storage you get. So you can put your beach chairs, umbrellas, all your kids' toys, head off for a day at the beach. Also on the 21 you have a seat back for when you're anchored out. Want to hang out on the transom, face backwards. Great place to sit. As we step up into the cockpit, you'll notice there's cup holders everywhere. You also have a cooler that's built in on a piano hinge. Cooler under the seat. This boat has the new for 2020 stone interior, which is a light gray with the darker gray accents. Really a great look for this boat. The boat also has a bimini top, full range of coverage. Over at the helm, you've got the 9-inch Simrad with the flat dash, so it's a nice upgrade there as well. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, throttle, steering wheel, of course. All your toggle switches are here. Over on the port side, you have great storage, as well as a little glove box, drainable storage area. Stepping up into the bow, you have seating all the way around, Fusion speakers. This boat also has the appearance package, which has the stainless steel grab handles, additional bolsters, finished off very nicely. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.